Hello guys, welcome to the video. This is Sanket Tiwari from NIT Allahabad, and today we will review 2-year subscription course by AcadBoost, which is launched on 15 August I guess, and many students want me to review this. So let's see what we have in this. And there is one announcement guys, I will give away this course because we brought this for the review. So and now that's no use for us because I am already in NIT Allahabad, so I will give away this. So please comment below if you want this. Now let's start. So it's a 2-year course as I said, and here it's written that validity till 30 days. So if you want this course for 2 years, then price increases to 20,000. Okay, so don't miss just that, you will get this 2 years course only in 3,000 rupees. Okay, so it's very expensive guys. Now let's see description section. So in description here only it's written about Kalpit Sirva, nothing related to the courses. And here what he said, that most affordable price. I don't think it's most affordable guys. Okay, now rating, let's see. Rating is only given by 27 student and it's 4.9, so don't misjudge it. Now let's see what we have in the package items. So a mentorship course, a physics course, mathematics course, and in mathematics you will get each chapter will get some videos. Okay, at a 30-minute video he will discuss some problem only, in 10-minute video some problems. Okay, so by few problems he want to teach you this subject, which is let's see, here you will see a preview section as well. Okay, this is, so each chapter as you can see contains basic if you see trigonometry, so it have basic trigonometric equation and graphs. So it's include only 3 videos, and in 3 videos you're not gonna learn trigonometry guys. Okay, it's only for basics. If you don't know nothing, then it might be useful for you. Okay, if you don't know anything. Okay, and for circles also same, circle 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so he might have discussed some 2-3 problems in each videos, and those problem you will get in every book. As I have mentioned earlier that I have used Cengage, so Cengage is really good book, you can also go for that. And let's see, binomial theorem also only 3 videos guys. In 3 videos you're not gonna learn binomial theorem, that's my thinking. And P and C permutation combination same, 1 2 3 videos only, and of 12 minutes, 16 minutes, and 13 minutes. If you are making a course, so try to make it for 30-minute videos or 1 hour videos, because in 1 hour 2 hour videos each lecture, 3 lecture you can cover full chapter, but he is only focused on some problems, so he is making only 12-minute videos, 16-minute, 30-minute videos. Okay, so it's not for you guys. Probability one, only 10-minute videos, it's just horrible. Now let's see, same for chemistry, each chapter contains few videos. Same for this JMN revision, it's a separate course which he was selling before, and now he included this in. And it's J advanced. And after we have KVP by mathematics alternative lectures, chemistry and physics. Okay, so now let's see, I've told you about the price, that it's 3,000 only for 30 days, and if you increase days, let's say for 90 days it's 7,000. Okay, and let's say you want it for 1 year, so 365 days it's of 13,000 guys. So it's really too expensive to buy. And for problems I will suggest use some books instead of buying such courses, because books will give you immense knowledge about everything whatever in the course. So buy some books, that will give you extra edge over these courses I guess. Okay, so please check the description section for further links on previous review and for some important videos. And please comment down below if you want this course for free. Okay, I will give away. So giveaway result will be in next video. Okay, I will announce that who won the course and for whom I have given the course. Okay, so please comment down below, then only you are eligible for this giveaway. Hope you like the video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So till then, bye bye, we will meet you in the next video. Okay.